What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to clear up WhatsApp storage. Firstly, go up to your three dots on your right upper side and then select for settings. Now as you can see here you have many options, but here you need to choose the option which says storage and data, the third one. Now as you can see here also you need to go for network usage, and if you're on the network usage you're gonna see which usage and how can I send megabytes and receive megabytes from it or from sites line. Now get back to show you how to clear up WhatsApp storage. Go for manage storage on the first section, and here are all chats that are included in your WhatsApp account. Now for example you'll go with this chat, and now as you can see there is no media in this chat. When you get back and you go for example with this one, as you can see there it is a side file which you can delete it. Just go select all and go for delete on your right upper side on the trash. Now it says that will be deleted from your WhatsApp media, and as you can see it has been cleared up some cases with enough megabytes on it. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.